dad. The mom is in the nest now. They're house finches. Look close so you can see the dad. He has a red spot. The mom's in this. That's the dad. That's the dad. That is the dad. That is the dad. I'm not. There's the mom. She's just so confused. Look, there's the dad right there. There's the dad. And then the mom just went into the nest. There's the dad looking out. Oh, there's the dad. He's on the roof. Mom is touching up her nest with some stuffing she found. There's the dad. With house finches, the mom is just like plain brown with some light touches of brown, and then the dad has red. Well, the males will have red, the females will just plain. Okay, now I'm gonna get off. One PS. I got some. The dad is getting talkative because I'm here. Holy cow. Yeah. Anyway, I got some bird seed. It's thistle seed, and it shows that birds like house finches and mourning doves, we've got mourning doves before, like this. I'm gonna go. Mom and the dad are at the. We have our bird feeder here. They're really suspicious of me. I think I'm gonna go get some. They're still really suspicious of me. I got a measuring cup. If I can even fit this through, which I don't think I can. So they are, I have thistle seeds. If I can even get this measuring cup out. Some thistle. I can't say the name. It's so hard for me to say the name. They are still really suspicious. I'm gonna. Okay, I got enough bird seed. Enough bird seed. Thistle. It's thistle, not thistle. Thistle. Yeah, it's this. I cannot speak at all. Not once. I cannot speak at all. Holy cow. I need to. That's not going to be fun for the birds. The dog. There. Hope you guys enjoyed this. It's pretty long of just watching birds. But we do know that the mom and dad are still alive. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.